Hey guys, quick question for you. If you were to choose a manufacturer for longitudinal welded steel pipes, which one would you prefer? For me, the answer is definitely HUAYANG Steel Pipe. Do you know why? Because HUAYANG doesn't rely on a single production line, but instead has multiple specialized production workshops, including multiple ERW steel pipe production lines, several LSAW steel pipe production workshops, pipe expanding production lines, anti-corrosion production systems, and supporting deep processing workshops. It is precisely because of this configuration that steel pipes of different specifications and types can all be produced within the same factory. That means lower coordination cost, greater flexibility, and a smoother procurement process. So when your project demands stable and reliable quality, consistent standards, and a true one-stop partner capable of handling it all, the answer becomes clear. HUAYANG Steel Pipe, built for real-world projects, trusted by clients worldwide.